Now is the time. Create income security. I'm Rebecca. I'm in Northern California, and let's talk about it. Look, here's the question. Here's a situation that I could use for an example. If you lose your spouse, are you going to be okay financially? Here's the thing. When something happens that's life-changing, we need a moment to pause, to catch our breath, to mourn sometimes. And if you're so worried about finances and having to stay afloat and what you're going to do next and where you're going to live and where that money's going to come from, it's overwhelming because you're already in a devastating situation and you don't even have time to pause. By creating your income security, you are eliminating that part of the change in your life. I've decided to use digital marketing to create my income security, and you can get the steps to create yours too. I'm watching people in my community make 6 figures, and that would be income security for me. Would that be income security for you? You don't even have to be tech savvy. Everything is already set up for you. You just have to implement the steps, put them in, and start making them work for you. And you learn all the training that you need to get you going and to stay going. There's also ongoing support and trainings available to you. So come on, guys, get to Rebecca's Digitals and check it out, and let's get you started. Bye.